Guys, it's Marcus from Diecast World. Today we are in BGM, so we can see what we can find there today. Hey guys, so we got the mix, the cars for 2020 and cars for 2021, case A. The first thing, so we got the Treasure Hunt by a bone shaker. So you can see the silver circle flame. That's mean we find the Treasure Hunt as well. The hot, you can see the symbol. But I have this one, so I leave this for someone else. Second pack, there is more cars from 2020. They've got fresh delivery. You can see that because there is a lot, still a lot Toyotas. But as well, they still got some cars from 2018. So we can see, but no more treasure hunts, no super treasure hunts, just 9 lines, but still looking for something special. Let it go.